Looking for your next Mediterranean getaway? Today we are diving deep into Marina Suites Hotel, a 4-star boutique property nestled in the heart of Palma de Mallorca's vibrant marina district. This modern gem has been welcoming guests since the early 2000s and has carved out quite a reputation for itself among travelers seeking that perfect blend of urban convenience and coastal charm. Located in Spain's stunning Balearic Islands, this hotel promises spacious accommodations with contemporary design that captures the essence of Mediterranean living. What sets Marina Suites apart from typical hotel chains is its focus on suite-style rooms rather than cramped standard hotel boxes, making it particularly appealing for couples and families who value space and comfort during their vacation. The accommodation options at Marina Suites Hotel are where this property really starts to shine, and honestly, it is refreshing to see a hotel that understands not everyone wants to feel like they are sleeping in a shoebox. The Junior Suite, spanning approximately 35 square meters, offers an open-plan living and sleeping area that feels surprisingly spacious for what some might consider an entry-level room. These suites come equipped with air conditioning, which, trust me, you will appreciate during those warm Mediterranean summers, along with a well-stocked minibar and complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi that actually works without making you want to throw your device out the window. Most junior suites feature balconies overlooking either the bustling marina or the city, and prices typically range from €120 to €180 per night depending on the season. The one-bedroom suite steps things up significantly with around 50 square meters of space, featuring a separate bedroom and living room configuration that works brilliantly for families or those who simply enjoy having distinct areas for relaxation and sleep. These suites often include kitchenette facilities, which can be a real money saver when you want to prepare light meals or store snacks and drinks. For those looking to truly indulge, the deluxe suite offers approximately 60 square meters of premium living space with upgraded furnishings, an espresso machine that will make your morning coffee ritual feel luxurious, bathrobes and slippers that add that hotel pampering touch, and panoramic sea views that will have you reaching for your camera every morning. All rooms feature flat-screen televisions with international channels, safe deposit boxes, coffee and tea-making facilities, and en-suite bathrooms stocked with quality toiletries. The interior design embraces neutral tones accented with blue hues that reflect the maritime setting, creating a calming atmosphere that immediately puts you in vacation mode. When it comes to dining and drinking options, Marina Suites Hotel keeps things relatively simple but effective with their Marina Lounge Bar serving as the primary social hub of the property. This casual bar and lounge space focuses on crafting excellent cocktails and serving Mediterranean tapas-style snacks that perfectly complement the relaxed marina atmosphere. The menu highlights include tapas platters featuring local cheeses and olives that give you a genuine taste of Spanish culinary traditions, while their signature cocktails incorporate regional spirits that you might not find at your typical hotel bar. Operating daily from noon until midnight, the Marina Lounge Bar maintains a smart casual dress code and can accommodate approximately 40 guests indoors, with additional terrace seating that becomes particularly popular during sunset hours. Reservations are recommended during weekends when both hotel guests and locals tend to converge on this popular spot. The breakfast situation is handled through a continental buffet setup that runs from 7 in the morning until 10:30, featuring fresh pastries, fruits, cereals, and hot options like eggs and bacon. While the dining options might seem limited compared to larger resort properties, the quality is consistently good, and the location means you are literally surrounded by dozens of excellent restaurants and bars within walking distance. The sleek interior design of the dining areas combines with accents with panoramic windows overlooking the marina harbor, creating an atmosphere that works equally well for a leisurely morning coffee or evening cocktails while watching the boats come and go. Here is where Marina Suites Hotel might surprise some guests, and not necessarily in a good way if you are expecting traditional resort amenities. The property does not have a dedicated swimming pool on site, which can be a deal-breaker for some travelers, especially families with children who are looking forward to poolside lounging. However, before you write off this hotel entirely, the management has arranged partnerships with nearby beach clubs that offer pool access during the summer months, though this arrangement requires some advanced planning and may involve additional costs. The real highlight in terms of water access is the hotel's proximity to actual beaches rather than artificial pool environments. Cala Major Beach sits approximately 500 meters away, which translates to a pleasant short walk that most guests find quite manageable. This sandy beach is popular among locals, which means you get a more authentic Spanish beach experience rather than a tourist-heavy environment. Water sports enthusiasts can arrange activities like paddleboarding through external providers that the concierge can connect you with, though these services are not directly managed by hotel staff. Beach service includes sunbed rentals, but again, this is handled through third-party providers rather than hotel staff. While some guests initially feel disappointed about the lack of an on-site pool, many end up appreciating the authentic beach experience and the fact that they are not confined to a small hotel pool when the Mediterranean Sea is practically at their doorstep. The trade-off here is clear: you sacrifice the convenience of stepping directly from your room to a pool in exchange for being steps away from genuine beaches and the vibrant marina district. The fitness and wellness facilities at Marina Suites Hotel are fairly basic but functional for guests who want to maintain their exercise routines during vacation. The property features a small but well-equipped gym with cardio machines including treadmills and exercise bikes, along with free weights for those who prefer strength training. Operating hours typically run from early morning until late evening, usually around 6 in the morning until 10 at night, giving guests flexibility to work out when it suits their schedule. However, if you are expecting an extensive spa facility, you might be disappointed as Marina Suites does not offer a full-service spa on the premises. This seems to be a common theme with this hotel, where certain traditional hotel amenities are either scaled down or outsourced to nearby providers. The concierge service can arrange access to nearby wellness centers for guests interested in massage treatments, spa services, or more comprehensive wellness programs, but this requires advanced planning and will likely involve additional costs beyond your room rate. Some guests appreciate this approach because it means they are not paying for spa facilities they might never use, while others prefer the convenience of having everything available on-site. The hotel does encourage guests to take advantage of the numerous wellness and spa options available throughout Palma, many of which are within easy walking distance or a short taxi ride away. For those interested in yoga, meditation, or other wellness activities, the concierge can provide information about local studios and practitioners who offer classes in English. Marina Suites Hotel is not specifically marketed as an adults-only property, which means families with children are welcome, though the hotel's design and amenities seem more geared toward adult travelers and couples. There is no dedicated kids club or organized children's activities program, which might leave parents scrambling to keep younger guests entertained during downtime at the hotel. However, the spacious suite-style accommodations work well for families because children have room to move around rather than being cramped into a single hotel room. The nearby beach access can provide hours of entertainment for kids, and the marina area itself offers plenty of family-friendly activities including boat watching, waterfront walks, and easy access to ice cream shops and casual dining options that cater to younger palates. Parents should be aware that the hotel's atmosphere tends to be more sophisticated and adult-oriented, especially in the evenings when the Marina Lounge Bar becomes the social center. The lack of specific children's facilities means families need to be more self-sufficient in terms of entertainment and activities, though the central location provides easy access to family attractions throughout Palma. Many families actually prefer this approach because it encourages them to explore the local area rather than remaining confined to hotel grounds, and the spacious suites provide comfortable retreat spaces when children need downtime or naps. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.